According to reports on Thursday, at least 21 people, including 7 children, were burned to death after a massive fire erupted at a residential building in a refugee camp in the Gaza Strip. Gaza's interior minister said that the fire broke out in the densely populated Jabalia refugee camp in northern Gaza. Reports suggested that it took firefighters more than an hour to get control of the fuming flames that erupted through the top floor of the 4-story residential building. According to preliminary investigation, a large amount of gasoline was stored inside the building, which escalated the fire. The Interior Ministry said that everyone in the building was killed. People were seen screaming outside the burning building, while relatives of victims were in the streets crying and praying. According to a BBC report, an eyewitness said, and I quote, "It is very difficult, children and women burning without the possibility of saving them." Palestinian Authority President Mahmoud Abbas called it a national tragedy and declared one day of mourning for the victims. Jabalia is one of the 8 refugee camps in Gaza, which is home to 2.3 million people and one of the world's most densely populated areas. According to reports, many families living in Gaza stockpile gasoline and diesel to power generators since the territory has only one power station and electricity for only 8 hours a day.